Hey guys. Oh, the burn. Today we're going to check out these squeeze bottles that I use out in my shop. These are from a company called Eisco. This one actually has Everclear in it. It's like the purest form of isopropyl alcohol you can get. These bottles have a wide filler mouth, color-coded caps, color printing with a chemical symbol on them, and they make them for a ton of different chemicals. I use this methanol one for denatured alcohol. Denatured alcohol leaves a bit of a residue, so I just use this one for general cleaning. But you just squeeze the bottle, and the liquid comes out. Very convenient. Now, I have noticed that you always seem to get a little bit of a drip after squeezing, but the drip is just residual liquid in the nozzle. I have not had any of these leak out on their own overnight. These bottles have a little vent at the top of the pickup tube, so liquid won't leak out due to temperature or pressure changes. Here's the vent hole over here. I did have one bottle where the vent hole was plugged. I just poked it through all the way with a pick, and it's been fine since. But that is something to keep an eye out for if you buy some of these. The wide filler mouth makes it easy to fill these up without having to use a funnel. And the color-coded caps make it nice and easy to figure out what's inside without having to read the label. This one is for acetone. It's got some shop wear on it. The color printing is scratched off a bit over here. And then I keep a blue one just for plain water. I don't have a sink out in my shop, so it's nice to be able to squeeze a little water out onto a towel if I need to clean something. Eisco makes these in a ton of different sizes. Mine are all the 500 milliliter versions. I'll put an Amazon link in the video description. They're not cheap, but they're not too expensive either. And you can generally save a couple bucks by buying the ones without the color printing, or no labeling at all. They have blank ones where you can just write your own label on them. But I like the ones with the color-coded caps. And make sure you get the wide-mouth, self-venting ones. There are cheaper knockoff versions of these bottles out there, but they're just not as nice. This one I use for mineral spirits. It's black, so you can't see the level of liquid inside. The filler hole is smaller, so you have to use a funnel to fill it. And the nozzle itself is a little bit shorter. These ones are also made out of a thinner plastic. And I have another one here where the bottom is bowed out a little, so it doesn't always sit flat on the table when you set it down. These are good budget options or for lesser used chemicals, but I would recommend the more expensive Eisco ones. They are way nicer. So yeah, if you're looking for some high quality lab grade dispenser bottles for the chemicals in your shop, I'd go ahead and check these out. The drippage thing is an issue, but it only happens immediately after use. Just shake it off afterwards and it'll be fine. Thanks everyone for watching. Check out the other videos on my channel if you haven't already. See you later. Bye.